Today, I'm going to show you the secret to drawing super natural and beautiful eyelashes. If you want to learn it fast and easy, stay with me till the end. First thing, never draw lashes parallel or like a straight line. Each lash stroke should be quick, a little curved, and end sharp. And remember, the lash direction changes depending on where it's placed on the eyelid. Just follow the arrows. Draw the strokes in a loose, flicking way so they look natural and give the eye more depth. Do the same for the lower lashes too. Just remember, they're always thinner and shorter. Now, all you need to do is take a soft brush and blend over the eyelid and lash line to give it a smooth, nice shadow. If you feel like the lashes look too light or sparse, just darken a few strokes. That's what I'm doing right now. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. I'd really appreciate it if you support my little channel with a like and subscribe. It gives me the motivation to keep going. And if you have any thoughts or feedback, drop them in the comments.